guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, look what I got right here. Man, this is Spanish rice. Okay, so I can't wait to cook this one and I can't wait to try this one. Okay, so let's go. Look, what is this, babe? What is this, babe? Do I have to add this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have here a measuring cup. I changed my mind. I'm just gonna cook this
Okay.
plain rice right in there because the one we need tomato sauce.
We have tomato sauce right there. Oh,
What?
we don't have tomato sauce?
Voila. So I'm just gonna cook the white rice. I'm so hungry right now. Man,
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook too.
Can you see her? Oh, you can see her stuff. You know, look, sometimes.
So I changed my mind. I'm just gonna cook the white rice, okay? Because that one we need tomato sauce for this to cook this one. But
Yeah.
we don't have tomato right now, so okay. Wait. This is how I measure the water for my rice. 1, 2 and 1/4 of the cup. Okay, it's red. Where's the lid? Man, I'm getting old right here. I- okay. So let's wait like 10 minutes left. Okay. Now let's do this one. So I'm just gonna eat rice and fried eggplant. And you bet what you want. So I'm just gonna prepare one egg.
Okay.
Oh no, I need 2 eggs. And then I need 2 eggs. One is enough for me, but I'm gonna share my food to my husband, and I'm gonna give my mom one of these two. So let's go.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Woo! And then I'm just gonna add a pepper, gam gamay. Okay, and then magic syrup
Yeah,
to taste. Yes, sir. And then a little bit of salt, maybe 1 pinch lang. Woo! Because later I'm gonna add what you call the one the crispy fry. Okay, okay. I'm using the chopstick. It's more easy to use this one. What is this powder? What this is? Look, rice is almost ready. Look, it's super rain outside. Heavy rain. Hello, baby. What are you doing?
I'm editing a vlog, guys. Let's go.
Enjoy.
Oi, oi.
He's so happy with his new setup, diba?
Yeah.
Sana chill lang with Sanduan.
Sana colita de rana.
And now let's prepare the sauce for my tortang talong. So here I'm just gonna slice some onion. Wow, we don't have limoncito. Limoncito is good. Man, I'm speaking English right now. I'm sorry. My English is not good, but I'm trying my best. Okay? Don't judge me.
Sana all. Sana all.
Sana kulita di rana.
What texturas may na.
First, I need to put this one gamay lang. And then I'm just gonna add soy sauce.
Now, soy sauce.
Man, I wish we have limoncito, but we don't have limoncito. And then a little bit of vinegar. Gamay lang. Uy! Gamay lang. Then, Ajinomoto. Gamay lang kayo. Gamay lang. Okay, and then mix it. Man, I wish we have limoncito right now. Man, the onion is super strong. Hala! Man, I almost burned this one. Man, I talked too much. Yeah. Oh, you see rice is almost ready. You see the smoke?
Yeah.
That means ready. You want eggplant or no? You want eggplant?
Yeah.
And I forgot the tomato. I'm gonna add tomato. This one is lamit too. Tomato is good. Almost ready. That one is ready now. And this one, oh my god. This one is ready now. And let's check the rice. Oh wow, the rice is ready now. It's ready. Next step, I'm gonna peel this one. Woo-hoo. Oh, it's hot. Oh.
So this is the next step, guys. Wow. What are you doing right now, baby? Oh, so you steam it or you grill it and then you put it in the egg, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Wow, it looks, man, it smells good, my love. It smells so good, guys. I am sitting front row VIP. Wow, look at the process.
Okay, post. God. Man, why you're so... Okay, let's hit up the... What you call this one?
The woke.
Wok.
Hey, guys. Oh, you're not...
Guys, I was about to cook, but we ran out of cooking oil. Okay, so let's wait. My husband, he's already in the store buying the oil. Okay, let's wait na lang. Oh my God. Look, look, look. Oh, oh guys, I got the oil. Thanks, amigo. Thanks, amigo. So I'm just gonna transfer this one in this bottle. Okay, and let's go.
Oh.
Someone's in the store. Load daw po, no.
Load. Pila. Oh, low. Wait time.
Okay, first we need to hit the wok, okay? And then I'm just gonna add the oil when the wok is ready. It's ready, and now let's add the oil. So guys, I just add a little bit of crispy fry, and now it's time to fry.
Wow.
Okay, and our tortang talong is ready. Let's go. Okay guys, my food is ready. Woohoo!
Wow.
Super meal. Okay, post na. And then take a picture of you from before this one is gonna mess up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Vámonos!